Ship really is solving the problem of how do smaller businesses that are experiencing rapid growth get a simple ship product, if you will, or solution that isn't over engineered, simple to use, and can integrate into their back end if they're a platform business, right?
I'm curious. So, Ship started a while ago, and how has user acquisition changed? Usually, like the way you start and the way you get your foothold, hopefully, it's not the same work and effort as the way you're acquiring users today.
So
Yeah.
getting these relationships in place, not only by integrating with the Shopify's of the world, but also we have a new integration with Walmart. Walmart's encouraging sellers to go on in their marketplace and sell. And the shipping piece comes through ship.com, where obviously we're giving
Oh,
them
that's
discount.
and it sounds like you're pulling in some of those pieces as well.
They just come through a different lens, if you will. The PPC, which I did not run personally, but I was across the meetings, very expensive and just not hitting the mark. And Google kept changing the way in which they reward their advertisers. So it
Yeah.
just felt like a money grab with no repeatable or expected result, if you will.
There was the SaaS apocalypse, which I don't know if you believe it or not, but the market apparently changed some numbers in the ether about the value of those companies. Do you think it's just overhyped, or what's your take on
All
it?
right. Well, I'll age myself. I was around when the computers came out in college.
Yeah.
And when I first started working, we had one terminal with internet we were faxing, right? So it obviously change is happening. We are very cognizant that AI is here. We're all using it. Our CEO likes to say, you will not be replaced by AI. However, if you don't learn to use AI, you will be replaced. So
Yeah.
we feel it's to stay. And in the product, we're embedding it because we think and we know there's just so much data to be mined and ways in which we can present a different user experience through AI. But I will say so I think AI is here and we're going to have to incorporate it into our product, which we're doing right now. But I also think there are ways in which it's being used that I don't like, which is in the customer support realm. So I
Hmm.
don't personally, if I'm calling, I've got lots of vendors, I call support. He's
Yeah.
using AI and it's dramatically made him much more efficient. And now he doesn't dread doing the monthly data and the
Yeah.
numbers.
Yeah.
He can do it much more easily. And then he has more time so that he's just not reporting the numbers, but we're actually analyzing them a lot more in depth and having more strategic discussions and outcomes from that.
Where do you think like the future lies for the product? And are there major changes in how people are using direct mail and shipping?
Well, I think it's really about integrating into whatever selling platform you're using.